Good evening, my fellow infected psychopaths. Today I'll be injecting you with the insanity that is my voice. Let's get started. Before this video starts, I would like to say that I'm still working on Mini Nuke. Don't worry, it's almost done. I just need to wait for one more part to come through the mail. Also, it still needs a paint job. Which, don't worry, the video should be released by next week. Until then, enjoy this video. Okay, ladies and gents, see that head over there? I'm gonna shoot it. Cue the slow-mo. Whoa, wait a sec. Wait a sec. Hold on, that head's missing something. Let me just use my editing magic here, and do this. There we go. Much better. Hi, Biohazard Madness here. Welcome to welcome to Biohazard Madness Stunts. Today we're going to be trying to attempt to shoot behind me using this phone of mine. Holy shit, did you see that? Oh my god, I think I won't be able to do that again.
Such a beautiful day out, the birds were singing. Just sitting and enjoying my drinks. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Oh god, Biohazard Madness is going to try to shoot me, isn't he?
Okay, my psychopath, here's the plan. Steve has a few hostages in his sights. You have to save the hostages from Steve's cold dead grasp. Our objective is take careful shots and hit Steve's stupid face. Retrieve hostages to safety. Okay, let's go. FBI, open up!
I hate you so much.
And that's all the time we have today for this class of Arsenal. Tune in for my next project where I make the mini nuke. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also hit or shoot the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my Twitter for my daily life updates, as well as upcoming projects. Until next time, see you later, you psychopath.
You see the bottom man, you see the fairy dreams. I'm the prey, and I'm your time for sale. Can't you harden me? Want to abandon me? I'm the prey, and I'm your time for sale. Like a new design, waiting for the now. It's opening and out my breath again. Not enough for me, not enough for me. Give me the pain. I'm a model man. I can really speak, I can really feel. I'm your model man. I can really speak, I can really feel. I'm your model man. Take it all outside of me, and you just promise me that time to play, and I'm your time for sale. You can burn what's under me.